For centuries, stories of a lost civilization have captivated imaginations. A powerful, advanced society swallowed by the sea, Atlantis. Was it a myth, or is there some truth to the tale? Join us as we journey through history, legend, and science in search of the real Atlantis. The story of Atlantis originates from the writings of the Greek philosopher Plato. In his works, Timaeus and Critias, Plato describes a grand island civilization existing 9,000 years before his time. He writes of a people possessing great wealth and technology, living in harmony until greed and corruption led to their downfall. Their punishment, total destruction by the gods, with their island sinking into the ocean. But was Plato describing a real place, or was this a moral allegory? Since Plato's time, scholars and explorers have searched for the lost city. Numerous locations have been proposed, from the Mediterranean to the depths of the Atlantic. Some believe that Atlantis might be Santorini, a Greek island partially destroyed by a volcanic eruption around 1600 BCE, while others suggest the Azores in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean. Plato's enigmatic descriptions of Atlantis continue to captivate scholars and enthusiasts alike, inviting exploration into the intersection of geological evidence and cultural narratives. This ancient civilization, characterized by advanced technologies and an intricate societal structure, stands as a symbol of human ambition and innovation, yet its existence remains shrouded in mystery. Geological studies offer a fascinating lens through which to examine the possibility of Atlantis's reality. Researchers have scrutinized various regions, particularly the Mediterranean and the Bermuda Triangle, for signs of ancient civilizations that were lost to natural disasters. Eruptions, tsunamis, and shifting tectonic plates have left behind geological markers that may correspond to the cataclysmic events Plato described. By analyzing sediment layers and underwater topography, geologists have pieced together a narrative of potential landscapes that supported advanced societies in antiquity. Culturally, the tale of Atlantis resonates with numerous mythologies across human history. Societies have long been drawn to themes of loss and rebirth, often framing their understanding of the world through stories of great floods and vanished lands. This cultural phenomenon reflects a collective anxiety towards environmental changes and the impermanence of civilization. Examining parallels between Plato's narrative and other cultural myths reveals a shared human experience that transcends time and geography, suggesting that the story of Atlantis might symbolize deeper philosophical truths about aspiration and hubris. The links between geological findings and cultural narratives enrich the discourse surrounding Atlantis. Notably, distinctions between historical evidence and literary allegory raise questions about Plato's intentions. Was he conveying a historical recount or a cautionary tale about the dangers of moral decay? The rich tapestry of myths surrounding Atlantis opens avenues for interdisciplinary dialogue, merging geology, archaeology, philosophy, and cultural studies in the quest for understanding. In conclusion, delving into the geological and cultural dimensions of Plato's Atlantis illustrates how myth and reality can intertwine. The layers of sediment beneath our feet are reminders of the vibrant human narratives that have unfolded across millennia. Whether Atlantis existed as a tangible civilization or serves as an allegory for human ambition is less critical than the questions it raises about our own nature and the delicate balance we maintain between progress and preservation. Ultimately, the exploration of Atlantis continues to inspire curiosity and introspection. While Atlantis remains a mystery, the idea of lost civilizations isn't entirely far-fetched. Earth has undergone drastic changes, with tectonic shifts, rising sea levels, and natural disasters wiping out entire regions. Could Atlantis have been a real city caught in one of these cataclysmic events? Throughout history, cataclysmic events have shaped the Earth's landscape and affected civilizations. Scientists have delved deep into ancient records to uncover the theories surrounding tsunamis, earthquakes, and volcanic eruptions, offering insights into their devastating impacts. The seismic activities that once unleashed terrifying waves or shook the ground beneath the feet of our ancestors continue to speak through geological evidence, leaving behind scars and stories etched in rock formations and sediment layers. One foundational theory about ancient tsunamis centers around massive underwater geological shifts, typically caused by tectonic plate movements. These shifts trigger the abrupt rise or fall of the sea floor, generating waves that can unfurl across entire ocean basins. The ancient Mediterranean civilizations provide compelling examples where archaeological evidence reveals coastal settlements swallowed by sudden surges of water. Scientists meticulously analyze sedimentary deposits to understand the size and frequency of these waves, as they can offer crucial clues to future risks for modern coastal communities. Earthquakes, another phenomenon of nature's wrath, have roots in the Earth's restless tectonic plates. The power within these plates builds over years, and when that energy is released, the consequences can be felt for miles. Researchers have studied ancient fault lines, where shifting plates have left wonders and woes. Understanding these historical seismic events helps scientists create models predicting the patterns and the intensity of potential future earthquakes. It transforms abstract theories into tangible risk assessments for urban areas located near fault lines, prompting efforts in structural safety and disaster preparedness. Volcanic eruptions also weave an intricate tapestry in the climate narrative. The explosive release of magma and gases steers not just immediate destruction, but can influence climate patterns, affecting ecosystems hundreds of miles away. By examining cores of ice and sediment, scientists glean information about past volcanic activities. The ash layers tell tales of colossal eruptions and their aftermath, such as the cooling of temperatures that led to agricultural collapse in ancient societies. This knowledge emphasizes the interconnectedness of nature's systems and serves as a reminder of our planet's dynamic nature. In summary, the scientific exploration of ancient tsunamis, earthquakes, and volcanic eruptions reveals a chronicle of resilience and adaptation. It is an ongoing effort to understand our planet's past, as these investigations not only cater to academic curiosity, but also play a crucial role in safeguarding future generations against potential natural disasters. As researchers uncover these geological secrets, they illuminate the path to a more prepared and informed society. Beyond the Lost Island, parallels can be drawn between Plato's Atlantis and other ancient civilizations. From the Minoans in Crete, who possessed advanced technologies and sprawling cities, to the Egyptians, who were in contact with Mediterranean civilizations, could Atlantis have been an amalgamation of these cultures? The legend of Atlantis, a mythical island described by Plato, has intrigued historians and archaeologists for centuries. Its portrayal as a highly advanced civilization has led to speculations about its possible similarities with real-world ancient cultures. As researchers delve into historical texts and archaeological findings, they uncover a tapestry of connections that beckons deeper investigation. One striking similarity lies in the advanced societal structures observed in both Atlantis and notable ancient civilizations, such as the Minoans and the Egyptians. The Minoans, for instance, thrived on the island of Crete, showcasing complex urban planning, grand palaces, and a rich trade network. Similarly, Atlantis was said to possess grand architecture, extensive waterways, and a robust economy, indicating a well-organized society. This parallel raises questions about the influence of geography and resource availability on their development. Moreover, both Atlantis and historical civilizations appear to share a deep reverence for nature and the cosmos. Ancient Egyptians built their pyramids aligned with celestial bodies, reflecting their beliefs in the divine order of the universe. Likewise, accounts of Atlantis depict a civilization that harmonized with its environment, utilizing advanced agricultural techniques. This harmony mirrors the eco-centric practices of cultures that revered the earth as sacred. Religion and myth also play pivotal roles in the narratives of both Atlantis and ancient societies. The pantheon of gods revered by the ancient Greeks resonates with the spiritual beliefs reported in Atlantean society. The legends tell of divine favor bestowed upon Atlantis, echoing the revered status of gods in civilizations like Mesopotamia that shaped their governance and cultural practices. This intersection of mythology enriches the dialogue about cultural parallels across time and space. Finally, the mysterious downfall of Atlantis aligns with tales of decline documented in various ancient civilizations. The fall of the Roman Empire, for example, serves as a cautionary tale of overreach and internal strife. This theme of hubris and retribution reflects a timeless warning that resonates through both fictional tales and historical accounts. Such reflections prompt scholars to consider the lessons learned from these tales as applicable in contemporary society. In conclusion, while the existence of Atlantis remains elusive, the inquiries into its similarities with real-life civilizations continue to inspire research and imagination. The interplay of society, nature, belief systems, and decline creates a rich narrative that connects the human experience across cultures and eras, reminding us of our shared journey through history. In modern times, the search for Atlantis has expanded with the use of technology. Oceanographers and archaeologists have employed sonar, submersibles, and satellite imaging to map the ocean floor in search of ruins. Some discoveries, such as the Bimini Road off the coast of the Bahamas, fuel speculation that Atlantis might lie beneath the waves. Deep beneath the ocean's surface lie secrets that capture the imagination, submerged ruins that whisper tales of a forgotten civilization. As marine explorers uncover these enigmatic structures, the air is thick with a mixture of wonder and skepticism. Experts from diverse fields converge to analyze the evidence, creating a mosaic of theories that intrigue both scientists and historians alike. The most compelling ruins emerge from the depths, showcasing intricate stonework, aligning eerily with the seabed. Some structures appear to follow geometric patterns, suggesting a sophisticated understanding of architecture. This leads experts to ponder: could these remnants be the vestiges of an ancient society that mastered both land and sea? Recent discoveries off coastlines around the globe ignite discussions about the potential links between these submerged sites and known ancient cultures, sparking further intrigue into human history. Yet skepticism remains, as not all experts agree on the interpretations of these ruins. Some argue that natural processes, such as erosion and tectonic shifts, could account for the formations, presenting counter-arguments that temper the notion of a lost civilization. Measures to assess the age of these sites using carbon dating and sediment analysis become pivotal in validating the whispers of history buried under waves. A healthy scientific debate unfolds, aiming to separate myth from reality. In this thrilling quest for answers, one cannot overlook the narratives woven through the collective consciousness of humanity. Stories of Atlantis, for instance. The very idea of such a civilization tantalizes explorers as they look for parallels in folklore alongside scientific inquiry. The captivating thought that submerged cities could hold forgotten knowledge pop up in dreams and discussions around the world, illuminating a desire for connection with our past. Could these submerged civilizations offer us insights into survival and adaptation that are still relevant today? As exploration technology advances, the mysteries surrounding underwater ruins become more accessible, promising to unveil truths that lie beneath the waves. The community of experts remains energized as they collaborate, unearthing tools that can analyze underwater environments at unprecedented depths. Thus, the underwater frontier beckons not just with stories of the past, but as a realm where the next chapters of human history may still be written. Atlantis, whether a true lost civilization or a symbol of human hubris, continues to inspire. It reminds us of the fragility of civilization and the mysteries hidden beneath the ocean's surface. Until evidence emerges, Atlantis will remain a legend, a beacon for explorers and dreamers alike.